Hi everybody and welcome back. Now we're going to talk about a different type of division called synthetic division. And synthetic division only works when you're dividing by a linear factor, so anything that's x plus or minus a number. Now oftentimes in applications important applications we really just divide by linear factors, and this is kind of a shortcut notation to be able to do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up our region. So notice there's a box in the upper left-hand corner and a box in the lower right-hand corner. What goes into this box is we're going to take this 4 and change its sign and make this a -4. And then this part right here, what we're going to do is we're going to take their coefficients and write them out. 2, 7, and -5. And we're going to keep the sign. And I wrote this a little too long, so we'll write it like this. So this last box always goes under the last number. So see, this box right here always goes under the last number. So what we're going to do for synthetic division first is we're going to drop this 2 down. So we always drop that number first. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take this -4 and this 2 and multiply them together to give me a -8. And then we'll take those two numbers and add them up, and we'll get a -1 out of this. So we'll delete all that. And then what we need the -8 though. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to have a -4 times a -1. So we're going to have -4 times -1, and that is going to give us a +4. And then we add those together and we'll get a -1 in this box. And so notice that these numbers, here I'll write that in black too. So notice that the numbers at the top represented x squared, x, and constant. Well, down here at the bottom, this is going to be represented by x. This is going to be the constant term, and then this is going to be the remainder. So, remainder. So what we have here then is that our answer is going to be 2x minus 1 minus 1 all over x plus 4. And so that is what this division will yield. So that's what particular 2x squared minus 7x minus 5 all over x plus 4. Let's move this over. Equals that. Alright, that's all there is to synthetic division. Again, we're going to have to deal with the issues when we have missing terms, and we'll deal with that in the next video. See you then.